Alrighty guys, so today I basically was just passing out stuff. These units are getting ready to get the lights in, so light there, and there's a light behind here for the vanity. So if you just watched the last video, then that's what the unit looks like complete. This is what it looks like incomplete and unfurnished, so basically just gotta hang all the lights and stuff. So this is the first floor. I was on the 4th floor since we start on the 4th and work down, so I don't feel like walking back up the stairs. I'm sorry to show you a few boxes laying on the ground, but basically I was just handing out boxes today, putting the lights out in the rooms where we're gonna be hanging them tomorrow. So you get a light here, you put a light box on the ground or whatever, you get a smoke detector, you put a smoke detector in the room. So pretty basic stuff here, but you just have to make sure you got the right lights or whatever so they're not being installed wrong. So basically all these lights and stuff are just everywhere. So these were sitting outside right here in the rain, and there's a pallet of one type of fixture right there. So there's someone in here. So basically, what was I saying? Basically, I had to go round up all these light fixtures, trying to find them and stuff. So had to walk all 4 floors, like all 32 rooms or whatever, 8 rooms per floor. Actually, there's more probably, but anyways, just trying to figure out where all these lights are at, spreading them out, making a checklist, and checking it twice. Anyways, so that's what I did today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out the furnished room video. If you didn't check that out, I'll probably post that first before this one. So anyways, hope you guys had a good day. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. I'd appreciate it, just because I take the time out of my day to make this video. So I'd appreciate the support and acknowledging my hard work for you guys. So anyways, appreciate it. Also, if you like it, give it a subscribe. I'll be making videos every day during the week. So catch you guys tomorrow. Check out my social media in the description. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.